Hello everyone, we're here at the Aquarius Inn Motel in Bicknell, Utah. And let's go take a quick hotel room tour of room 203. So let's go in. And as you go in, you can see it's the standard 2-queen bedroom there. And it's pretty spacious. Over to the right, we have a little table with 2 seats and an overhead light. They have 2 floors. Almost all the rooms have exterior corridors. And there's the back of the door. An interesting thing about this hotel, they're still using the standard metal keys here. And I'll show you a picture of that now. And now moving on, we have the 2 queen beds. Pretty basic luggage stands at the foot of each bed. And then we have a little nightstand here with a hotel phone, alarm clock, and a drawer. Just tells you there. I guess that's letter, note writing paper. And then right here we have 2 lamps. They swivel out a bit too. There's the other bed, and then over here we have the entertainment console area. We get 2 drawers here. And then we get entertainment area. They have a VHS player, a DVD player here, and they do get HD cable service. LG TV here, and you can see here they do get HD service. Yeah, so that's that. And then over here we have the mini fridge, rather large one, and microwave. There's a mini fridge, pretty spacious. They even have a little freezer section. Has a lot of ice buildup though. Both Magic Chef, and then a Magic Chef microwave. And then over here we have like a wardrobe closet. Coat hangers. There's a spare heater there. Then over here we have the sink vanity area. Ironing board on the back. And then over here, the climate control unit, the main one, is over here in the vanity sink area instead by the windows. And then there we have the vanity sink. We got a coffee maker over here, some coffee. The sink, it kind of is high pressure, you have to be careful. Soap dispenser there, ice bucket, tissue dispenser, large mirror. And then coming over here, we have the bathroom area where the light switch is to the right outside the door. Shower tub combination. Not bad. A little bit dated, and the shower head's a bit small. Then we have the soap and shampoo dispensers on the wall. Then we have the toilet over there, towel rack. They have another thermostat here because there's the window, and down below we have a electric, kind of like a baseboard heater. So let's see, shower test. So not too bad. And there's an overall view of the room. Overall, this hotel, inn, motel, whatever, it's not too bad. It's kind of budget, you know, it's a little bit basic, but that's what it's there for. It's a pretty spacious room. Overall, a good deal. There are just some minor upgrades, I guess, that needed to be addressed. And I guess that'll be it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to check out more travel videos coming soon.